Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So let's continue the lesson Vedic civilization and let us discuss about the early Vedic period. The duration of early Vedic period is 1500 BC to 1000 BC. This early Vedic period is also called a Brahmavarta. How was the political life in the early Vedic period? A group of families lived in the grama, and this grama was headed by the Gramani. And there were several tribes were there. These each tribes was headed by the Rajan. Each tribe was headed by the Rajan. What is the duties and responsibilities of the Rajan? To protect their tribes, fought war against the other tribes, and offered the prayers to the gods on behalf of their tribe. It is the duties of the Rajan. And even he was also assisted by the Senani, Purohita, and Gramani. Senani on the matter of political issues, and he was assisted by the Purohitas on the matter of religious issues, and he was assisted by the Gramani on the social issues. And the Rajan was ruled with the consent and approval of their peoples. And to make any decisions or discussion, the decision and discussions were taken with the four samitis. So there are four samitis were there. So there are four councils. Which are the four councils? Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata, and Gana. So these are the four councils. So in this four council, all the important matters were discussed and the decisions were taken in these four councils. And there was no system of the revenue, but the peoples are voluntarily offered their share to the kingdom to protect their tribes. So now let us discuss about the social life. So the basis of the Aryan social unit was the Kula, means family. So this Kula is based on the patriarchy. The eldest male member is the head of the family. So the head of the family is also called a Kulapati or Gruhapati. So the head of the family, Kulapati or Gruhapati, was taking the important decisions. Then, sir, this Kula was based on the patriarchy. Then what about the women's position? The women were enjoyed the respect and status equal to the men. They have all the rights. The women have all the rights. They had the right to education. They had the right to choose their husbands. Even they could attend the political assemblies. The widows could be remarried. Like that, the women enjoyed the respect and status equal to the men. Then what about the caste system? So initially there were four groups were there. They are the cultivators, priests, warriors, and dasyus. These are the four groups in the society initially. So, but these groups were not fixed, not rigid. So the person can change their group according to their wishes. The person can follow the any profession according to their wishes. But slowly the caste system was developed. The division was created between the cultivators, priests, and warriors and defeated the dasyus. And they made the dasyus or made to do all the manual works. And in this over a period of time, the gradually the divisions was started on the based on the occupation, and there are a four varnas are there. Which are the four varnas? Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras were the four varnas of the early Vedic period. What were the duties of the Brahmins? The Brahmins are also called a priest. They perform the religious ceremonies like a yagnas, and they were the teacher, means guru. They taught to the students. Then Kshatriyas is the second varna. The main duty of these Kshatriyas to protect their tribes. And who is the king? Head of the tribe is also belongs to the Kshatriya. Then Vaishyas. The Vaishyas engaged in the economic activities like traders and producers. The traders and producers are the Vaishyas. They are engaged in the economic activities. And last is Shudras. So the Shudras comprising mainly the Dasyus. The main duty of the Dasyus or Shudras to serve the Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas and work for their benefit. So now let us discuss about the dietary habits, means food habits. So here in the food habits, both vegetables and animals were included in their food habits. Then what were the main crops? What were the main staple food of the early Vedic period? Rice, barley, bean were the staple food of the or main food of the early Vedic period. And the cow slaughter is prohibited. The cow slaughter was prohibited. Cow slaughter was prohibited. But fish, goat, bull can be slaughtered for their food. The cow slaughter is prohibited, but fish, goat, bulls can be slaughtered. And they made the intoxicated drinks. How they made the intoxicated drinks? The intoxicated drinks are made from the corn and barley. These intoxicated drinks are called a Sura and Soma. These Sura and Soma were popular in the early Vedic period. In the next class, let us discuss about the remaining points of the early Vedic period.